My adventurous friend.
Okay, let's see if I can do it. I don't think I can. I'm afraid I'm going to fall on my head.
What are you trying to
I'm
do?
trying to put my legs, my knees, and then go backwards.
Hang? Upside down?
Let's see. Maybe I need to get down and then try to get my legs up over the top and work my way up with my arms. Sort of like trying to get out of the bathtub sometimes. Okay, let's try this. Quit laughing. I want to hang from the monkey bars. One of my classmates used to put one leg over
Uh-huh.
and spin around. Just go round and round
Uh-huh.
with the monkey bars. I tried to do that and
Go
I
ahead.
landed on my head. Okay, I can't do it. I can't pull myself
Well, you haven't
up.
tried. You haven't moved.
Well, I can't pull myself up. There we go.
You did it.
Upside down.
Not completely. Your other
No,
leg's on the ground.
I'm afraid to. Oh, let's see. I can use my head.
That's too funny.
I did it.
Okay, wait. I need to.
Oh.
Okay, hold on a
did
second.
it.
I need to. Hold on. I'm on the slide.
This should help my.
Ooh!
I would think this would help my back, but I don't think so. I'm on my head.
That's so funny.
It is not.
Does that feel good?
It doesn't feel bad, but it doesn't feel that great on my left side. Okay, I'm coming down.
Okay, be careful. You need help?
Nope. Oh. Wow.
Feels good?
It does now.
Well, good for you. You did it.
I did it. I hung from the monkey bars upside down. Oh.
Congratulations.
It would help my back, but it didn't.
Well, maybe later.
Maybe. I don't know
Okay.
if it opened the vertebrae or not.
Okay.
4 and 5.